These are the 6 sound effects you probably heard all around social media, and I show you when to use them right. The impact riser. Use it right before you build tension before the beat drop, like here. The Iron Man. Use it before something crazy happens or a big scene switch, like here. The metallic whoosh. Use it for a smooth build-up into the next transition, like here. Vibrating whoosh. Use it to level up energy into the next transition, like here. And transition rapid click, use it to finish the video up, like here. And don't worry, I made a free sound effects pack, just come in clean and I send it over ASAP.